What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. Kenny behind the camera. Want to show you something, the power of Xpel paint protection film. So this is a 2023 Tesla Model S that we fully wrapped the whole car about a year ago now. And then the client got a hold of me and he said, hey, listen, I had a little bit of an accident. I think I'm going to need paint. I tore the film up. Said, bring it in, let's take a look at it. So he brought it in today, dropped it off, and we're going to replace the front bumper. So backing, he hit a pole or something, like, you know, backing out or backing in somewhere. And I just pulled this out here because it's in the sun. It's been sitting out here baking all the day. So, I mean, it tore up. It tore the film up. The film's gone here. This is just glue residue right in here. So nothing to the paint, but I mean, gouged the crap out of it. Down here just tore the film, as you can see, just tore it all to hell. You know, let me see if I can, because it pushed it all back, but I mean, it tore it all up. Nothing, this is glue residue, guys. Nothing touched the paint. And I'm going to show you this real quick here. See how it stayed in the film? A little bit of this is transfer of whatever he hit. Now guys, it's not cold outside. It's like 100 degrees. I've let this sit out here to do this video because our shop is slammed right now with PPF works. So that's how I'm being able to do this. Usually we use steam. As you can see, when you take PPF, you want to pull it against you and it starts rising. It's less stressful on the paint. The rest of this, when it goes in to be done, guys will steam it and heat it all up, and then it'll go better. So this is where it took a chunk out of the film. This is 100% glue residue. So we'll get, you know, we got stuff that's going to take all of this off. Then we're going to polish this. But I'm going to keep going here a little bit. I'm just going to tear this up this way here. You guys see all that damage there. Nothing's touched the paint. Again, guys, this is glue from the adhesive. This is glue as well. This will all come off. We'll take the whole front bumper, the film right off of it, and then we'll go over this, remove the glue, then we'll polish it, and then we'll lay a new piece in, and out the door and he goes. If this was not on here, I guarantee you this would have been a $2,000+ paint job on the front bumper, and it never looks right. Even with a really good painter, yes, it's going to look tight. Most people wouldn't know. There's always a paint different variances because this was painted over, you know, a year or two ago. So there's always a slight variance. But also on top of that, they're not just going to spray this front bumper. They're going to take it off and spray it. And a lot of good body shop guys and painters, they're going to want to blend this. So now we're removing the film off of this as well. And then you got an extra cost of being the film on. So this has prevented a guy, the person that owns this car, a lot of money, and we just wanted to do a quick video and show you the protection. Kids on bikes, anything like scuffing, stuff like that, it's protected this whole thing. Again, glue to easily come off, nothing touched the paint, the film took the abuse. So another win for Xpel paint protection film. If you want this protection on your car, give us a call at 219-628-0288. Come to Chesterton, Indiana, 419 Council Drive. Come see our work firsthand. What we specialize in. We are Northwest Indiana PPF specialists. For now, love and happiness. Peace.